Yeah, you are still with Afternoon Express here on S3. Now listen up, whether you are a CEO, an influencer, or maybe you even have a side hustle, maybe you're in the planning stages of building your small business, then let me tell you this, you need to consider business insurance and the impact that it can have on the success of your business. Now, we recently got to meet with, and we took down all of the notes necessary to find out about business insurance. Take a look at this.
Starting your own business is the ultimate achievement. And whilst cash flow and sales is one part of the job, protecting your hard work is non-negotiable. So whether you own a side hustle or been in the business world for years, today I'm sitting down with the experts to help you take the next steps in protecting your future. Tebogo, it's so lovely meeting you because I've got so many questions around business insurance. So what are some of the insurance cover options that Standard Bank insurance brokers offer businesses?
Standard Bank insurance brokers offer all sorts of business insurance solutions. So it could be any type of business really. So, you know, it could be like a bakery, it could be a restaurant, it could be a farm, it could be sort of, a petrol filling station or petrol outlet, or even a production company that produces Afternoon Express.
Do these options cover business enterprises of any size?
Definitely. So we do have business insurance solutions for any size of business, really. So you can think about, your entrepreneur who's starting off, might be a one-man operation, all the way to your corporate entities to that scale. So throughout that spectrum, any size of business we're able to cater for.
Are you looking to increase the non-traditional types of businesses that are entering the marketplace that need insurance, like influencers, for example?
What we do have is, we have these, call it non-traditional, call it markets or requirements that different businesses might have. But if you think about it, at the end of the day, it's still a business. That entrepreneur might be providing some kind of a service or a product. So because it is a business at the end of it, that business still requires protection. They might have assets that they want to insure, and they also might have certain liabilities that actually accrue to the business owner just from the operation of that business.
And finally, Tebogo, can a small business insure some of their assets under personal insurance?
A sole proprietorship is a business where there's no legal separation between the business owner and the actual business entity. They're one and the same from a legal point of view. You can do that, and there's certain insurers that actually design products that cater for that requirement. What's important, however, is that this requirement or this arrangement needs to be agreed upfront with the insurer at the point at which the insurance policy is taken out. So when you have a separate business, which is called, like say it's a company, it's a PTY Ltd, which is a company on its own, it will have its own assets that are registered in the name of the business. So that needs to be taken care of on its own because it's seen as a separate legal entity from a legal perspective. So I think it's advisable for clients to be aware of that and not just assume that they can insure company assets under their personal insurance.
Thank you so much, Tebogo, for just breaking down business insurance. Now, if you started from the bottom and want to stay here on top, then you need to make sure that your business is insured. Reach out to the Standard Bank insurance broker team because they are ready to cater for all of your business needs, big or small. So get the conversation started today by visiting them on standardbank.co.za or give them a call on 0860 123 999. Standard Bank insurance brokers may help you save time and money by protecting what matters most to you. For business and personal insurance, visit standardbank.co.za for more information.